Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki. Recently we did a 2-in-1 fall build for the Home Depot, and today we're here to talk a little bit more about some of the details and the decorating.
And we'll put a link to thehomedepot.com where you can find this full build, but like Mom said, we're gonna get into how exactly we decorated this spooky tree.
First up, let's make some spooky grass bundles. You'll need some steel wool, wooden skewers, and various sizes of zip ties. First, cut the large ends off the zip ties, making them different lengths. We're using a tool called end nippers to achieve this. Next, cut a piece off the steel wool and hot glue all around the skewer. The pink thing on Mom's finger is actually made out of silicone and is used to protect from getting hot glue burns. Next, glue the zip ties around the steel wool. You can see why the silicone finger is a must here. With all those glued into place, cut a square piece of landscaping fabric, find the center, and glue around the base of the steel wool. Make a dozen or so to fill in the base of the pot. Next, grab some bundles of fake fall leaves. Cut sections off using the end nippers. You can lightly spray them with black shimmering paint to give them a Halloween look. Now let's make some ghosts. You'll need a white kitchen bag, styrofoam ball, wire, and a Sharpie. Start by cutting a thin strip from the bottom of the bag. Fold the bag in half, cut the edge, and cut out a square. Push the wire through the styrofoam ball and curl the end to hold it in place. Fold the bag in quarters to find the center, and poke the wire through the center point. Wrap the bag around the ball and use that cutoff piece to tie in place. Use the Sharpie to draw on a face, and here you go, your spooky ghost. Now head outside and find a tree with some Spanish moss, or you can purchase it in the garden section of Home Depot. Now let's decorate that tree. This spooky Halloween tree can add some great curb appeal to your house, so we've put the bucket right by the front door. We started out by laying a piece of landscaping fabric to cover the foam, and it can be secured with hot glue. Next, just poke the skewers into the base. Add the spray painted leaves for a little pop of color. Here are the found items that we'll use to decorate this tree, and we'll start with the chain that we did buy. Just wrap it around the branches however you like. Old keys are a great ornament option. We also had this wood bird that we spray painted with the glittery black and secured it onto a branch. The ghost wrapped easily around the branches to stay secure. And you can even hot glue some of the spray painted fall leaves to the bare branches. And add that Spanish moss to hang from the branches. Lastly, to give it a bit of a cobweb look, you can use a hot glue gun and a fan, and you just let the glue drip and blow. It's a little messy, but it looks really cool.
We do want to point out that all the decor that we use is actually found items. I found all the floral in my fall decorations. We found mosses from outside. We use things like the garbage bags. So everything that we are using are things that we found. So really the decor was based on what I found in my garage.
Yeah, so get creative, look around your house. You might not have these exact things, but you might have stuff similar or things that would work. So
or something that's even better.
Exactly, something even better. So look around your house, see what you have, and see what you can create, anything spooky or fall related. And let us know if you put together something really cool for the fall. Let us know in the comments below. So thanks for joining us. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.